If you're subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're not, go ahead, hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you see whenever we upload new videos and you can follow along. Also, head over to the channel and check out other videos if you're interested. Hey guys, so today we are at Skydive Dubai, and as I said, my friend Simone, who you're going to see in this video, decided to skydive, and this is just a place I wanted to show to you really quick. We are at the Skydive Dubai at the Palm drop-off, so the marina side. Apparently there are two different sides, but this is the marina side, so I hope you enjoy. If you ever come to skydive in Dubai, this is probably what it looks like. Hey guys, so now we are at, well, we've been at the Dubai Mall for almost half of the day. So as you saw, we went to Skydive Dubai because my friend was doing the skydive, and we had these shirts made. So you see, this is the descent and this is
the Dubai skyline, and then I'll show you like what it looks like on the back. But anyway, like all three of us basically have the same shirts, and it was super cute. And she did the skydive and she loved it. So the mall is super luxurious. There are hundreds, probably thousands of shops, and obviously you have like, I don't honestly know if there are like super cheap shops. I think that they are probably still relatively expensive, but yeah, you have lower end shops and you have super posh high end shops as well. And the only thing is it gets so busy. So depending on when you come here, it can actually be exceptionally busy because you have just so many people. And I don't know if all of these people live here or if it's tourists, but it is insane. I was extremely overwhelmed inside the mall because of the sheer number of people. So if you are coming, just know that you're going to be surrounded by people quite a lot. And I think, like, you know, living in Sweden, we are not used to, or I've become less used and less accustomed to having all of those people like around you all the time. There's only 10 million people in Sweden. So this is exceptionally overwhelming. And I actually was in SA with 50 million people, but it didn't feel like this. There's just so many people in this mall all the time. It's insane. That's the Burj Khalifa, which we went to and you've seen as well. So yeah, this is basically where we are today. So I hope you've enjoyed this day. We're gonna head back to the hotel, get changed, and then we're going to go to drinks. I think we're going to Sky43, which is the lounge, but I'll catch up with you then. Ciao.